The Nothing Phone 2, scheduled to launch in July 2023, is the anticipated successor to the Nothing Phone 1. Carl Pei, the founder of Nothing, confirmed its development and mentioned that it will offer a more premium experience. The Phone 2 will feature the glyph, a distinctive light pattern on the back, with potential improvements in brightness, customization, and functionality. It will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC for enhanced performance, battery life, and camera capabilities compared to the Phone 1 Snapdragon 700 series. Rumored specifications include 12 GB of RAM, virtual RAM support, and a 120Hz refresh rate display. Nothing is handling software development in-house, promising faster and smoother performance with 3 Android upgrades and 4 years of security patches. While the Phone 1 was priced as a budget option, the Phone 2 is expected to be slightly more expensive, following